Alright, I'm going to make a short post here real quick. I'm working on a longer video, but I want to show you, this is my seam board. It's 3/4 inch plywood. Took a saw down the middle of it. I put pallet tape on it, and I trimmed out the center. The long video will have all the what I did. And when you spray adhesive on it, I put a dowel rod over. You do not want spray in that seam. It's making it difficult. So I'm printing polos. These polos get a side seam. They're performance polos, and they do have a tag in the middle. And my other video is going to have. I'm also doing some Bell's canvas, but I'm going to slide this in here. I just spray, so it's going to take a little longer. But you're going to work that seam into that groove. And I just did a longer video, and these are just going like butter. I just spray, it's longer. So you get that seam down in there. Now if you don't get that seam down in there, what happens, you get, doesn't look pretty. You see that in your print. Alright, and this is one of the, you look at other videos, I don't like low mesh. I do not. I have over 200 frames, and I think probably 6 156s and a couple 110s. These are 156s. The reason why I have these is they're 1/4 inch off contact, is I need the release. If it's the higher the mesh, it's a different, it wants to stick more. This gives an easier release. This is, let's see, I'm printing. One hit. It's got a good release. There you go. That's my one hit of white. And then let that flash dry, and I'll come back and hit the red. And the white I'm using is a Union 1070 Performance Poly with a, I still, like always, I put a 15% blend of stretch and soft hand in that, and it really helps it out. But there you go. Then the red, same thing, it's on low mesh, so 156. So I'm going to do a shear, then I'm going to come back a little harder, a little more angle. And what that's going to do is going to help push more into that seam. Look at that. It fills that seam. It's a light print, and it looks good. It's, there you go. In a longer video, I think I did 10 of them, and just no time at all. It gets faster and faster. Once every 10 I spray, and it loads in. You just got to work that seam into that channel. And again, if you got the aluminum setups in your press, sorry, you can probably put a hardboard on top of it or something. But I've got a bracket set up, and I can customize. So I do stuff all the time. But again, here you go. They just don't sell presses like they used to. And that's good, and it's going to go into the flash dryer. And I keep up with my dryer. These go pretty quick. So if you're trying to do side seams, I do thousands of side seams. And it's one at a time. You know, it's boring. But look at the results. No problem. Looks really good. It's a soft feel, and I just want to share that with you. Hope that was helpful. But yeah, this is just a board, 3/4 inch plywood, probably about half the depth. I took a saw to it, and this one has. I didn't go all the way down because I want my polos to stop there. This is built basically because I do a lot of these polos, and in different brands. So yep, hopefully that's helpful. All right, here is the finished one. This is dried. And I just want to show you what that seam looks like. It's got a nice, it's not a thick print. And yeah, see that seam? Looks pretty good. And you can see where the tag, I had to print over a tag. But that's it.